Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing great. By the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm also doing great. Well, today in this video I'd like to share with you just some sentences, basic sentence to advanced sentence. So let's get started. First one is, instead of saying good job, you can say kudos. Kudos. Next one is, instead of saying not bad, you can say not too shabby. Not too shabby. Instead of saying I forgot, you can say it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. And last but not the least, instead of saying I'm late, you can say I'm running behind. So I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.